Charon, ladies and gentlemen.
Crazy rhythm, here's the doorway. I'll go my way, you go your way. Crazy rhythm, all the way through. Mission, you bring the same mission. Crazy rhythm, crazy love.
To meet a very, very talented young tap artist. And please welcome to my stage, I'm going to bring her up here because I want her to talk to you for just a moment. She's a very special young lady. Charon, come on over here. You're so adorable.
Thank you,
I didn't even pay this act, I mean really. Now, Charon, I want to tell you something. You told me about your charity, which is called
Arts for Our Children.
Arts for Our Children.
Yes.
And do you actually work with young people and teach them things like how to tap dance or sing and all that sort of good stuff?
Yes, we try. Arts education is not in our public schools anymore, so we're trying to help fill the void by getting it back into the public schools at no cost to them or minimum cost.
And that's the way it should be. And you know what? When you told me about this, and even though I normally don't compensate my guests,